Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After the screen turns on and you can see the ZTE logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding volume up until you enter this kind of menu. In this menu you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select second option, reboot to bootloader, and that's how you enter Fastboot mode. You can see sign saying Fastboot mode, but it's very small letters here, but you can see it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.